Okay, good morning students. This is the next method and yield method what we have to discuss. Okay, I'll just show you what we have discussed. Okay, we have discussed valuation based on rate of return. We have discussed two problems with 15 marks. Now we are going to start with valuation based on price earning ratio, that is PE ratio. This is very important for your future also. Okay, now we have to go with the format first, how we have to calculate it with formula. So what is the formula according to the PE ratio? Valuation of equity shares, earning per share, that is EPS, into PE ratio. Okay, so how to calculate this EPS? PE ratio will be given in the problem itself, need not worry about it. How to calculate this EPS? Profit available to equity shareholders divided by number of equity shares. Now under this, how to calculate profit available to equity shareholders? Now very important, look out the difference between the two formats. Okay, when we were calculating the profit available to equity shareholders under rate of return, this was the format. But when we are calculating under your PE ratio format, that is EPS, this will be the format. Clear with this, students? Okay, profit before tax and interest. Okay, this is profit before tax and interest. So first we will have to less what? Interest. So both the interest, let it be on loan or anything, we have to less that, that is debentures, interest and loan. Then we have to less what? Tax. And then we have to less what? Dividend on preference shares. So whatever the money is remaining will be called as what? Profit available to equity shareholders. So then once we get this, we have to put in this formula, and then once we get this, then we have to put in this formula and try to find it out. Now a simple problem with regards to this. Okay, calculate the value of equity share of the following information. Earning per share they have given, that is 20. Price earning ratio they have given 5. So directly they have given in this problem. So EPS into price earning ratio. So that will be what? 20 into 5, 100 will be the value of equity share. Okay. The next one is what? 15 marks problem, if we want to solve it. Okay, so this goes 15 marks problem. The capital structure of a company is as follows. They have given us the 10% preference shares of rupees 10 each, that is your 1,60,000. The next one is 16 lakhs, sorry, it is 16 lakhs. Equity shares of rupees 10 each, 10 lakhs. Reserves and surplus 8 lakhs, 10% debentures 9 lakhs, 12% term loan, that is 5 lakhs. The average annual profit before payment of income tax and interest on debentures and term loan. They have really said it over here before. Means what? We have to less interest on debenture and term loan. So term loan was what? 7,50,000. Interest on debentures, we have to check with what? 10% of debentures we have to take. The next one is what? Rate of income tax is 30%. You are required to calculate value of equity share of the company if applicable price earning ratio is 9. So they have given directly. So profit before tax and interest is what? 7,50,000. Okay, they have given directly over here. Profit before income tax. Okay, before income tax, that is what? Income tax and interest on loan. Sorry, I said it, interest on loan is 7,50,000. It is profit before. Okay, so profit is 7,50,000. Interest on debentures we have to calculate 9 lakhs on that 10%, 90,000. And then interest on term loan will be what? Term loan is how much? 5 lakhs on that 12%. So it will come down to 60. So 90 and 60 totally it will be what? 1,50,000. From that we have to less. Okay, so 1,50,000 we have to less from 7,50,000, we will get 6 lakhs. From 6 lakh we have to calculate according to the format, that is provision for income tax. So 30% of this we have to calculate. Okay, so that is what? 6 lakhs. So 1,80,000. So 4,20,000 will be the amount. Okay, so from that we have to less dividend. So 1,60,000 we will get profit available to equity shareholders. So then we have to calculate it. Okay, EPS. Okay, very important. EPS can be calculated how? Okay, by using the formula. So EPS can be calculated how? very important, profit available to equity shareholders divided by number of equity shares. So that is what 2 lakh 60 divided by 1 lakh shares. So 2.6 is the EPS. Then apply this over here. So 2.6 into P ratio is given in the problem. So 9 into 2.6 EPS. The earning per share, the shareholders are earning on 1 rupee, they are earning 23.4 rupees. Okay, so this is what your 15 marks problem based on price earning ratio. Thank you students, please go through it. These are the very important problems. Okay.